all that
Dude,
stuff.
working on it. Okay, this is the thing. Like the trade-off for clean energy with those,
Right.
it's not worth it, dude. We're
Yeah.
because so much fucking grease, like it's mainly grease, dude. Grease and oil, gear oil. Like it takes so much of that shit to keep those things lubricated, and you're changing it every 3 months, every 6 months. You know what I mean? You're always pumping grease here, pumping grease there. You know, the amount of like oil based waste that we're fucking using every day, dude. Dude, and
Yeah.
they're paying peanuts to do that work. That's kind of another reason why I kind of quit that work. But it's not worth it, dude. You know what I mean? And like the blades aren't recyclable. Most of the fucking shit on there is not recyclable. You
Oh
know?
yeah.
Right. You know, because I mean, you see it in the news, and you see stories like, there's graveyards of fucking piles of wind turbine blades. Like you go to like other countries like India and shit, dude. They don't give a fuck. They just throw it. But yeah, that's
Right.
because they got a lot of wind turbines out there.
Oh, they do.
Yeah, they're Denmark's, I think, one of the bigger ones because they have like offshore wind turbines where you have to take the guys that maintenance them have to take a boat out there and they stay on
Yeah.
it for like 2 days.
That shit's just all gonna end up in the ocean.
Yep.
They're
It's
just
just
gonna knock it down and put it right in the ocean.
because I mean the ones I was working on, like okay, there was like three different companies in the area where my company was, and my company was EDF, which is a French company. It's the French electric company, so they bought a little wind turbine company. Now it's all corporate, but each one of the turbines was like doing 2 megawatts. You know what I mean? And that's on a good day with good wind. It's doing 2 megawatts a day,
Yeah.
and we had 200 turbines. You know what I mean? So yeah, you're getting a lot of electricity, but again, like I was saying, the maintenance of it, the manpower, you know what I mean? The waste is the biggest thing. I mean, if you could figure out how to recycle some of that shit,
Right.
you know what I mean? So like what I would do with all that waste, yes, it's waste, but like remember in Hawaii, you're able to put like when you did an oil change, you could put your oil in the rubbish
Right.
and because they burn it for electricity. Like out here, it's California. Obviously, they're not going to burn it for electricity because they're all about environment. But that's
Right.
one way to get rid of that waste. You know what I mean? But then that goes into like, okay, now you're polluting the air.
Right.
So what do you do?